In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable snapping in Premiere Pro. Now, if you are, say, for example, in a timeline wherein when you are going to move your videos or audio, it's not snapping into this one, say what I'm experiencing right now. Even if I'm going to go ahead and put them in the same timeline, you can see that it's not doing its job. Now, there's actually a reason why this is happening. And that is because we have disabled the snapping. So you should be able to see this button right here. This is snap. You can go ahead and press S in your keyboard and you can see that it's going to turn blue. You can also go ahead and just click this one in order to turn it blue. When it is blue, it is on. So that's just what you're going to remember. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and move this one. You can see it's just going to snap right there. The same way if it's going to be aligned here, you can see that they just snap right away. And yeah, that is how you're going to turn on snapping in Premiere Pro. If you learned something new from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how it helped you, and I'd love to hear from you guys.